utter chaos here. So as you can see, I'm in the truck, and we're moving some vehicles around today. We're just dropping a vehicle off at Mers. And so I was just like, oh, it's a nice day. Like, I'll meet you there in my car. And Dan goes, oh, no, we can't actually take your car. I'm like, what? And he goes, well, you know that muffler job we did the other day? I'm like, yeah. He goes, well, now we have to do the same thing on the other side. So we gotta go get some tires, hence the truck, and then we'll also get a clamp. And then I think he's gonna teach me how to do it myself, because this seems like it's going to be a repeat offense that if I just know how to do it myself, I think will save us some time in the end. So that is what we're gonna get up to today, and maybe we'll see the progress on the Nova from where we left it a couple days ago, because admittedly we did exit the garage due to well, let's just say there was a lot going on, and maybe me joking around with the camera was not helping the situation. Sometimes you gotta, what does the song say? You gotta know when to fold them. And that was a fold them time. So we'll go get Dan from dropping off the convertible, and then we'll go get tires, we'll go get clamp. And we'll be right as rain. Well, we just went to piss and drink, and I stayed in the car and watched TikTok while
Dan buys parts like usual.
We have a good system.
Is it?
Yeah.
Your car breaks and I'll fix it.
Is this mine?
Yeah.
This is my clamp.
You need a clamp.
And I'm gonna learn how to do it myself today.
Turns out we fixed the one exhaust pipe, and believe it or not, the other one broke.
Yeah, I might have mentioned that already.
You know, that guy who welded that exhaust on did a real shitty job.
Just a real bad job.
As I was looking at it, I was like, oh yeah, it all came back to me. Like, this was temporary.
So I'm going to learn how to do it so I can continue to temporary fix it.
Oh, no, this will be permanent now. It's one of those things where sometimes a temporary fix becomes a permanent fix, and this one just ended up being a temporary fix. So it's exactly what it was meant to be.
Exactly what it was meant to be.
Yeah, that's right. You going on the road? Got you driving it?
Heck yeah. Well, we got to drive it to know what we need to fix.
You put a few miles on that thing by now.
Oh,
and
yeah.
The only thing that's really happened to it is the fender's a little rattly, and the exhaust fell off twice.
Yeah.
Grand scheme of things, not bad. That motor was so noisy. I thought for sure it would have grenaded by now, but
it's done good.
It's getting quieter.
So really, we just need to do the fenders next, and then it should be done.
And we got some extra. Look at these cyclists.
A lot of traffic here.
Well, this trucking company put this fence up, and it's a bit of a blind corner now.
Okay, well, it is hot AF today. Like, it's 30 degrees. It's like 11 o'clock. It's so hot out here. I'm like already sweating so much. But Dan is gonna teach me how to fix my muffler on this girl, because I guess it's falling down or something. I don't know. But he's gonna show me how to do it. Say hi, Dan.
Hi, Dan.
It's this side, right?
I think so. We already fixed the other one, didn't we?
I'm pretty sure. Gosh, it's sure shaky.
Shaky.
So what do? I guess you can hold this. Just be careful, because the battery might fall out. I don't do that. And don't pretend to poke my bum today. I'm a professional. I'm a serious lady.
That's how you film my stuff sometimes.
No, it's not. Stop.
Clamp it.
Do I take this off first?
Yep.
I need step-by-step instructions.
Take that off first. Actually, probably gets loosened. I don't think there's tailpipes on this thing.
Well,
Somebody lost interest halfway through.
Oh, I see.
Hey, it runs, don't it?
Yeah. Okay, so now what?
Put the nuts on just a couple of threads.
Oh.
What do we got going on here? Oh. What do we got going on here? Oh yeah. You're mint.
Okay, so what do I do?
So, hang the. You got the shot there.
Well, you're the cameraman. So I'm gonna hang it on this, I guess, and do that.
Let's get in here. Yeah, here you go.
It doesn't fit.
Well, you might be loosening it and screw around and do whatever.
I see.
Let me get right in there.
No. Okay, honey, please. I don't do this to you.
Look at that sweat on the brow.
I'm very sweaty, okay?
Yeah, there you go.
Come on. Why is this? Okay.
Put the one on.
Okay.
Just a couple of threads. Good. That's good. And try to get the other one lined up. Just pretty cheap clamp someone bought.
Hold on, I need to reposition. Here, move.
Well, I'm.
See? Filming's not so easy.
I know. You can really tell in your shots. Oh, you know what you did actually is this is too much. You gotta get them both started on this deal.
You're not even like.
It's wide. Okay, there you go.
He's not very good at the filming part, you
Get her
guys.
in.
I'm not
Get
gonna
her in.
lie.
I'm holding it.
That's what she
Push
said.
up. Push up.
Okay, I'm pushing up.
Push up harder.
This is as high as it'll go.
Yeah, get it started. You only need like one thread and you're fine.
Well, it's not.
Oh, thread it. Come on.
My hands are all looby. Okay, I got
What?
it. I got
Okay. Oh, we might need a ratchet instead of a. Oh, you can tilt her sideways. There you go. Get me. Where's the impact?
I got it.
Zing it together.
Okay, you don't.
Sorry, I'm trying to work here. Yeah, let's go. 47's right. Let's go overheat. So get it kind of halfway and then do the other one. Go back and forth.
Oh, why is this not working? Is that the right way?
Should we look at the sun for a good shot here?
No, what are you doing?
Oh, look at the wheel fitment. She's tight. Oh yeah, I had to modify that. Yeah, get the other side. Yep, the other side. Sing it. Hit it hard. Bam. The other one. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Boom!
What it needs is a tack weld.
I did it!
You want that? I gotta turn the car off.
Look at that! Oh man, it's so bright, it's so dirty, I'm so sweaty. Thanks for helping me.
I built a whole exhaust in 4 minutes of video, and your entire video was putting a clamp on. We will have to back up to the garage and just put a quick tack weld on that so it doesn't fall off, because that's a little
A little dicey?
well, let's give you speed jump. Oh, there's a clamp back here we could have used. Look at this. The exhaust clamp there. There's 2 of them. This thing was. There's 3 of them. What does this thing have for exhaust on it?
What did you do?
Oh, it must have had side pipes going out this way. I just never. Oh, that's probably why I left them on there. It needs some.
Another DD speed shop finish.
Oh no, because it had chassis headers on it. Now it's got fender wells. That's why. And that one's for the original one where it had the single exhaust. You got off.
Which one?
See that one's hanging down on the other side of the.
Yeah, the far back.
Yeah. I think there's 2 like this, and the other one. That's when it had just some sort of bullshit exhaust to get inspected.
Oh.
Good time.
So I'm backing this into the garage?
We'll back it up to the garage.
Okay.
Are you gonna weld it?
Sure! Yeah! I want to weld! Fire. like weeks though. Welder. Ooh, baby. Oh, you're really setting me up for success here.
Well, we believe in safety here.
Ooh, yeah. It's gonna be very hot.
Really melting metal with electricity.
What are you doing now?
Just gonna eyeball them. Get set up for your Instagram welds.
My Instagram welds. Oh boy.
You don't gotta put the mask on while you're holding it.
Okay. Well, safety.
What side do you want to be on?
I don't know. What am I welding?
The muffler.
I'm welding it to the
Oh,
thing.
there's a stick in my hair. Oh, that's a big one.
So I'm welding it to this little hook.
Scooch down, maybe. Ooh. Nice.
The driveway provides.
Where that came from? Yeah. Oh.
Yes. Oh God. What did I do?
You hit the trigger. I don't have my side cutters on me. We'll have to just kind of. There we go. So what you're gonna want to do is go between these two, around that little edge. Just give that a little.
A little poke.
Yeah.
Okay. How do I do it? Should I hit this though, just so I can see it, or is that good?
Hit what?
The trigger.
Sure, if you want.
Can I touch that or no?
Yeah.
So like that? That much out?
Doesn't really matter.
Okay.
It's gonna be ugly no matter what you do. All right, close them up.
Okay. Can you look at me for a sec? I'm very scared, but I'm safe.
You're fine.
Hold on, I gotta line it up here. Can I touch it?
Whatever you want.
Now I pull the trigger?
Pull the trigger. Hold it. Longer than that. See what that look like. Not bad, but you're not touching them.
Okay. Hold on. You gotta get. This helmet is very big.
It's hot!
Okay. Fucking nailed it! Oh, I swore. But I was excited.
Yeah, a couple more like that, you're good.
Oh.
That was not even close.
I very much missed. Okay.
Wow.
Well, it's hard to see. Am I on it?
I don't know.
Yeah. This is not a great angle. That's my problem here.
Story of my life.
And the helmet's hitting my boobs.
Mine too.
I'll get under here.
What is happening?
See, look at that. That was beautiful.
Yeah, some. Hold it out. Yeah, hold it longer.
Oh, I missed.
Yeah, you sure did.
Man, I'm not doing good.
Well, that's kind of the DD speed chop way. As far as it's gonna look what you did on.
I think they can tell. I think they can tell which ones I've done. Okay. Stop.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I got one good one in.
You wanna do the other side?
So, okay. Like, look, it doesn't go down. They're too big.
Well, they do make big titty helmets. That sounds good. Sounds like a DD speed chop weld.
Why is it not working? Ow! Why can't it work? Why won't it work? That was mediocre.
Mediocre? That's what we do here. Dano vision.
Ah, fuck!
It'll get you. You know, the idea is to use the helmet not to blind yourself. So if you hold it up while you're welding, it kind of defeats.
I'm not welding, I'm trying to find the little trigger thing. Okay.
That old prime welder runs pretty good.
Is that good enough?
Sure. Did you get the thing to the thing?
I think so.
That's fine. It's really, this is just like a safety precaution.
Here, let me show my handiwork. I'm so sweaty. Ugh. So those are some Queen Glitter Chaos welds right there. I will say, I think, oh, where'd he go?
You know what the problem
I think they might be worse than DD Speed Shop welds.
People are gonna make fun of my weld. All right, go put this thing out front.
Okay. Where did I put the key?
Get this pile of junk out of my driveway.
I don't know where the keys are.
Well, because you don't leave them in the ignition like you should.
But somebody might steal it.
Who's stealing this? I know who built it. It's a real pile. All right, fire it up. Give the people what they want. It's taking too long. Ugh. It's like waiting for dinner.
Asshole.
It's like waiting for dinner. It takes forever.
False.
I'll order it. Oh. Give her a minute there. Thing sounds good though. Whoa! What are you doing?
I'm very hot and very sweaty. But there, muffler reattached. I even did some welding. I did bad welding, but it was welding nonetheless. I clearly practiced. But that's where I'm gonna leave you guys. We're going to Canadian Tire. I look real gross. But thanks for watching. Please keep sending nice comments. Those are really shocking me and making me happy. Dan's actually kind of jealous because you guys rip on him. But you're so supportive of me and I appreciate that. So, all right, well, I'm out of here. Thanks, friends. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.